Hey everybody, today we're going to do a quick tutorial on our cannabis humidors. Cigar Star's been designing and manufacturing cigar humidors for over 20 years. When the legalization of cannabis came into effect in Canada a few years ago, we decided to design a humidor that you could store your buds in that's going to preserve the terpenes, enhance the flavor, prevent mold, and keep everything at the regulated relative humidity to keep your green pristine. So everybody thinks keeping it in a glass jar is a great way to store your cannabis. It is, providing the glass jar is frosted. That way you don't allow any direct sunlight because that can deteriorate the potency, reduce the flavor in the cannabis, and you might not want to have little kids getting into your jars. So we decided to manufacture a classy storage unit for your cannabis that is socially responsible with a lock and key. So this model here is our UCANA model. It's made using mahogany. It comes with 3 bud coffins, and the bud coffins are designed from mahogany, and what they do is mahogany is a natural moisture retaining wood. So what we're going to do is show you how to season your cannabis humidor. They come in 1/4 ounce bud coffins, 1/2 ounce bud coffins, and you can mix and match, buy more. This specific model comes with 1/2 ounce and 2 1/4 ounce bud coffins. Each bud coffin will come with a micro 4 gram 62% BOVEDA pack and a large 62 relative humidity pack for the actual unit itself. So first thing you're going to do is want to take everything out of the box. You're going to want to get a soft cloth, a bowl of water, and you're going to wring it out. Now, doing the wipe down method, you do not want any standing water on the cloth or inside the humidor. And the reason you're doing this is you're seasoning the wood to ensure that once you put the humidity packs inside, that the wood is not going to absorb that humidity that's meant for your flowers. So you're going to give everything just a quick wipe down. You don't have to saturate it too much. You just want a quick wipe down so that wood absorbs the moisture. And then you're also going to wipe down all the bud coffins too, because remember, this is mahogany. It's going to actually absorb the moisture, which will allow the cannabis to be storing in the proper humidity level. Now, the benefit by doing this, again, is you're not going to be losing the humidity meant for your flower into the wood. Then you're going to close the humidor. Now, if you notice, that has a nice swoosh sound when you close this, because these humidors are designed to be airtight. It's got a nice vacuum seal when it closes. That's going to keep all the moisture inside there when you store your flower. After 24 hours, you're going to come back. You're going to take out the bud coffins. You take out the micro BOVEDA 62%. You're going to remove the cellophane, stick it inside, and then add your flower. At this time, you can also include your analog hygrometer. Comes with double-sided tape and Velcro. You're going to stick it up to the top, and this is going to read the relative humidity inside your humidor. The ideal relative humidity for cannabis is between 58 and 62. The benefits of doing this or storing it in this relative humidity is it's going to preserve your terpenes, prevents mold, and allows a smooth, enhanced smoking experience because of the freshness of your cannabis. So you can essentially store your cannabis in one of these humidors as long as your BOVEDA packs are working and haven't dried up. Another good feature of this humidor is it comes with a lock and key, so you can proudly place this anywhere in your house and prevent little ones from getting into your stash. Another good benefit that we have is we have a pull-out drawer on the bottom. You can keep your pipe, rolling papers, lighter, keeps everything organized. So in trying to remove the stigmatism of cannabis as a bad thing and displaying it proudly and prominently inside your home, this particular model is made out of zebra wood and Timo ash, and this is all real wood. Hope this video has been helpful and allows you to store cannabis inside your home responsibly and fashionably while preserving the flower inside your house.